Hello and welcome to LVS Tech Buddy, your new go-to channel for Windows computer issues. At LVS Tech Buddy, we understand that Windows can be tricky operating system to navigate, and even the most tech-savvy individuals can find themselves stumped occasionally. That is why we are here to help. Are you tired of seeing dreaded blue screens when you start your computer? Do you ever feel like your computer is running slowly or not performing as it should? LVS Tech Buddy has solutions for these problems and more. We have a lot of years experience dealing with every imaginable computer issue, and we know how to solve them. Any kind of software issues we have got to cover. Our videos are designed to guide you each step of the way with clear and concise instruction you can follow. We understand that not everyone is comfortable with technology, so we ensure that our videos are easy to follow and friendly. We want you to enjoy your Windows computer experience, not dread it. From fixing errors to optimizing performance, LVS Tech Buddy will help you. So if you're looking for help with Windows computer issues, look no further than LVS Tech Buddy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you again soon.